Hey everyone, today is a super exciting day because we just got this amazing Qaba 8-in-1 toddler slide playset for our granddaughter. And I can't wait to show you all the fun features. We've been on the hunt for something to keep her entertained indoors, especially with the weather being unpredictable. And this playset is just perfect. This is not just any slide, folks. It's an entire play center. It's got 8 different features to keep the little ones busy and active. There's the slide, of course, but also a castle, platform, aisle, telescope, basketball hoop, tunnel, steering wheel, and even some cute storage baskets on either side of the tunnel. There's so much to explore. What I love most is how it brings that playground vibe right into our living room. And as a grandparent, safety is a top priority. This set has an acceleration, deceleration, and buffer zone built into the slide to ensure a smooth and safe ride. Plus, the stairs have a closed-step design with a non-slip texture, which means no more worrying about little feet slipping through. And let's talk about the materials. It's made of high-density polyethylene, which makes it super sturdy but also smooth and safe for little hands and knees. No jagged edges here. But the fun doesn't stop there. Daddy also comes with these handy storage baskets for all those little toys that somehow always end up everywhere but in their proper place. We're fostering play and organization. Talk about a win-win. Seriously, I am so thrilled with this playset. It's like having a mini amusement park indoors, and I know our granddaughter is going to have hours of fun with it. If you're looking for a great way to keep your little ones active and entertained indoors, this is definitely worth checking out. Ready to get this amazing playset up and running? I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide to assembling the Qaba 8-in-1 toddler slide playset. Let's dive in and get your little one's new favorite playground set up in no time. Step 1. Unbox and sort all parts. Start by opening the box and laying out all the parts on a flat surface. Make sure to check the manual for a complete list of all the pieces included. This includes the slide, platform, basketball hoop, telescope, tunnel, steering wheel, storage baskets, and all the screws and bolts. Step 2. Attach the castle, platform, and aisle. Locate the castle platform pieces in the aisle. Using the provided screws, connect these parts together. Make sure to tighten them securely to ensure stability. The platform will serve as the main foundation for the playset. Step 3. Secure the slide. Position the slide at the end of the castle platform. Align the slide with the designated slots on the platform and use the included screws to attach it. Make sure the slide is securely fastened with no wobbles and check for the smooth transition from the platform to the slide. Step 4. Assemble the tunnel and connect it. Next, take the tunnel pieces and snap them together to create the tunnel shape. Once the tunnel is assembled, connect it to the side of the playset where the designated holes and connectors are located. Use the provided bolts to secure the tunnel firmly in place. Step 5. Attach the telescope and steering wheel. Find the mounting points for the telescope and steering wheel on the playset. Attach these using the screws and brackets provided in the assembly kit. These features will be mounted on the sides of the platform to allow easy access for your little adventurer. Step 6. Install the basketball hoop. Find the spot on the playset for the basketball hoop. Attach the hoop to the designated area using the screws provided. Make sure it is securely attached, so your little one can enjoy a game of mini basketball safely. Step 7. Fix the storage baskets. Now, attach the 2 storage baskets on either side of the tunnel. Simply snap them into place or use the screws provided, depending on the design. This feature is great for storing toys and small items, keeping the play area tidy. Step 8. Perform a safety check. Once everything is assembled, go over each connection to ensure all screws and bolts are tight and secure. Gently shake each component to check for stability. Make sure there are no sharp edges or protruding screws that could pose a risk. Step 9. Test the playset before letting the kids loose. Give the playset a quick test. Walk around it, try out the slide, and check that everything is stable. Once you're confident it's safe and ready, it's time for playtime. Step 10. Enjoy the fun. Your Qaba 8-in-1 toddler slide playset is now ready for action. Watch as your little one climbs, slides, and explores their new indoor adventure playground.
These are W. You have 14 of those. And the ones that look like this is Y. And you have 2 of these. So on the back side of this one, that is where the Y will go, into that groove right there. These 2 are going to fit together. This goes into that slot, and I will tighten it up with W, which I showed you that earlier, which is here. All right, this one is together like so. Now I'm going to do the other one. All right, we got that going. Now we're going to proceed on to the next piece. The next 2 pieces is N and O. This is N, and this yellow piece is O, and I'm going to take those sides that I just did. These 2 fit in the groove here. There's some little nodules right there, and 2 holes on the back side of this one. Those fit right in together, but I've got to fit them with these sides here. So the yellow goes with the yellow, and the green goes to the white. Like so. Okay. You can see that? We just attach those. We just attach those with the W's here. And I'm sorry, I keep turning the light off and on because I'm trying to save the battery here. So I'm going to go ahead and attach. All right, this appears to be the slide right here, and we have it together. So now let's tackle the rest of it and see what we see. So now we have this piece here, and this is K, and then we have 4 of these, which are P, and we're going to attach them with the screws that's indicated by V. Okay, so these appear to be the same on either side, so we're just going to pop those in right in these holes with the screws V. So now we have 3 H's and we have 1 of these G's, and we're going to put those together using the screws shown by V. So let's get that going. So, well, this is the correct piece. G doesn't have that extra side on it, so we were about to make a mistake. We can't do that. Now we're going to put this piece onto that piece. Now I think we're in business. It actually went the other direction. I was like a little bit confused, a little bit worried. All right, it's time to put the slide on. When I put this other screw in back here. I'm still a little puzzled because I'm thinking I might still have to do something else. I'm still a little puzzled because mine is backwards. Mine is looking a little backwards, but I'm not sure. I'm not giving up yet. But we're going to see. Move y'all back. Now it's time to put on M. I'm going to do that now, which goes here. And we'll attach that with 7 of these V's right here. And I'm going to make use of this one, which is, I believe it's U. So we'll put that on. So I have 2 L's. We're going to put those on. Okay, I attached L to B, and now I have a J, which is here. All right, come together. We're getting ready to attach those 2 pieces. All right, I literally had to almost get under there myself in order to get those screws in. But I have that part attached. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step, which is attaching P and M. All right, have those little fence areas on that. And next up, we'll be attaching H. All right, so I have this together, and I'm thinking I might have to turn it around because it is pretty wide going in one of the directions. Like I gotta add another end over there. So I may have to pull it out from that area and turn it around the other side. So let me maneuver and see what we have, okay? And I will return. So I kind of had to completely redirect it. It got so long that I couldn't keep it where it was because I have to assemble the steps. So we're going to do that next, which we have the handlebars or rails. So handlebars. And I guess I'm going to have to give up my little tool tray now. And I'm going to go ahead and attach that end piece on right there.
Hello? Royal? Oh, where you come from? Oh my God, where you come from? Come back, wait, come back here. Come back here. Come back here, I say. Hello? Royal? Oh, where you come from? Oh my God, where you come from?